Komodo Island is one of the most epic adventures in Southeast Asia. In this video, I'm gonna show you how the day tour went from the Pink Beach to the national park. We spotted the famous Komodo dragons, which are not as scary as you may think in real life, and we discovered the underwater world, which really blew my mind. So pack your bags and let's go for one memorable adventure. Good morning guys, it's 6:30 a.m. in Labuan Bajo. This is where you're gonna have to book your accommodation to visit Komodo Island, because Komodo Island is a national park and you can only access it via Labuan Bajo. So the pickup from my hotel is at 7 a.m. and we go for the full day. I can't wait to visit Komodo. Thank God it's sunny, because when I arrived yesterday it was rainy. So let's go. The cost of the day tour is 1.7 million rupees, including the environmental fees of the national park. After your hotel pickup, you will be arriving at Labuan Bajo Marina to board on the boat. The boat was really nice and it took us 1 hour to reach our first destination. Arif, you gonna come today with us hiking or no?
You will see.
First stop, Padar Island for the amazing viewpoint. Hello! So I am with Jashi from China.
Yes?
And we are hiking the Komodo Trail to the viewpoint. There are 800 steps. Okay, I'm already tired and we just started. It's beautiful, but I remember what our guide told us in the boat, to take it slowly, because so you can enjoy the view a bit more. I'm halfway, I'm taking a break to catch my breath. I didn't think I was in bad shape until now, but I think it's a bit hot also, that's why. I'm like super ventilating. But I'm gonna make it. The view is getting better and better. I'm sweating so bad, like I didn't sweat like this for a very long time. But I'm not the only one. I think everybody is really tired. It's not that long, but with the scorching heat and there's no wind, you can get really exhausted real quick. Whew, almost on the top. It took me 30 minutes to reach the top and the view was stunning. Truly a unique landscape. I made it out alive. Like a lot of people. Still a way to go down. Jachi is trying to find the best spot for the photo.
Backflip, new foot.
Imagine the view.
Best view.
So people are stopping everywhere to take picture from everywhere possible because it's so beautiful. There's so many viewpoints. It's so cool. And after this beautiful hike, we went to our next destination, the Pink Beach. This is pink, guys. The sand is really pink. It's cute. I didn't expect it to be that pink, but it's really pink. The pink sand is produced by tiny fragments of red corals combined with the white sand. The beach is so nice, and yes, the sand is pink again, which is amazing. And the only thing is that, yeah, you won't get like a nice shot of the whole beach because you have quite a few boats, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like, yeah, more than 10 boats on the beach. So you won't have it for yourself. But it doesn't remove the fact that it is wow. I love the sand. Like, it's the first time I see that color in a sand. Wow. It was also the spot for our lunch break. We also spotted some Timor deers, which are endemic to the island and now used to human interactions. On this island, not only the sand is beautiful, but also the landscape. Afterwards, we went for the national park to see the famous dragons.
Guys, welcome to Komodo Islands. Now we are to explore the islands. Hopefully we can see many dragons here. Okay?
Yes, excited with Arif today.
Yeah, and I have a best friend from France.
Yeah.
His name is Mr. Patrick. He's very good man. Thank you.
As soon as you arrive, you are given a small brief about the island inhabited by over 1,600 dragons.
And today we take red one.
Red one.
So it's a 2 kilometer and spend the time there 40 minutes. By the time they're flexible, it can be less and can be more if you can have fast work and how many activities. If it's not activity, just only 15 minutes, finish the song.
Off we go to see the dragons. The trail is 40 minutes, right? 40 minutes. And we have two rangers with us, one in the front and one in the back. Can't wait. I guess there's a dragon here. Charlene from France.
From France, from Paris.
Yes.
Caribbean girl, I proceed. And
We spotted the first dragon. So tell me your impression.
my impression is very impressionnant. Il est très gros,
Very big.
vraiment très gros. Il est en camouflage, pas vraiment camouflé parce qu'on le voit, donc c'est assez spécial. Mais pour l'instant, il est pas très effrayant étant donné qu'il ne bouge pas. Mais dès qu'il va bouger d'une petite patte, on va tous courir.
Not very scary at the moment. I'm trying to translate.
Je t'en prie.
But yeah, we know we're waiting for him to jump and do something. But I think we're gonna move. We're not gonna stay here. There's a lot of people, to be honest. But yeah, first one spotted. Thank you, Charlene.
You're welcome. See you. Bye bye.
And the trees there.
Okay, baby dragon. Baby dragon is gone. Charlene is very disappointed.
Completely. Very one Komodo.
One Komodo.
Only one.
Yeah.
Just, voilà. We go back to the boat. Voilà, voilà. Thank
Such a French, you know. Yes, we saw only one dragon, and before coming back to the boat, we stopped by one of their nests. But thankfully, there was some action on the beach. And we spotted our second dragon, roaming free. It's so weird, you have the Komodo and the beach is really dirty. We are in this remote place and you see trash on the beach. So sad. The rangers made sure there was always a safe distance between us and the dragon to avoid any accident.
Super, c'était super. Un autre, ça aurait été bien, mais c'était super.
And by the marina, there's a lot of shops where you can buy some souvenirs. And off we went to our fourth destination, the island of Taka Makassar, for some chilling on the beach or snorkeling. And let me tell you, I was just blown away of how the coral are healthy and thriving, so many fish also. It was such a spectacle.
That was amazing.
And then we went not far from there to the Manta point, where we encountered 5 manta rays as soon as we stepped in the water. It was amazing. And look at this black manta ray. Such a great sighting. And then we finished the day by snorkeling also near the Manta point, which was amazing. I believe these are the most healthiest coral reefs I've seen in my life. We were very lucky on that day. We spotted another manta ray, which was huge. We also spotted this beautiful turtle which was super hungry. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope it will help you consider booking this day trip to Komodo National Park because I really loved it. And I am sure you will love it too. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next adventure.